how to start your own IV hydration business. Okay, let's get into it. So the first thing that you guys will need is proper credentials, proper licensing, okay? You're gonna need your RN license. You need to be working with a nurse practitioner. Some states allow a nurse practitioner to work independently. There are other states where you still have to work under a physician. Know your state rule, okay? And if you want to work at different locations without the doctor present, you would need a nurse practitioner. Malpractice insurance will cover you and the business and whoever's working there if anything should go wrong. Do your research. I mean, I've seen like $4,000 annually, $6,000 annually. Just make sure everything is covered. Next thing you will need is your policies and procedures. This will help you in the court of law. If should something go bad, you have something and you can diligently say, like, I followed my policies and procedures. For those of you that are working under a physician, give the physician a copy, make sure they sign it, or also have your attorney look at it when you're setting up the business, the legal entity. After policies and procedures, you're gonna wanna make sure you have a consent. This is a waiver for all your patients so that they're consenting to treatment. This is an elective treatment, so you know you're covered. They know what they're getting into. Make sure you verbally go through everything with them. Make sure
you're gonna learn today. You're gonna learn today.
That you give them a good consenting process. Actually know what they are receiving with these IV hydrations. After you have all of those, your consents, policies and procedures, make sure you go over it with the physician. Also, I would hire a attorney and just have them look at it. Next step is your CPA. That's your accountant, okay? They will go ahead and set up the business for you. Make sure it's a legal entity with your state. They will set up your tax accounts, stuff like that. In the beginning, to cut costs, you're gonna just write down on a piece of paper or an Excel spreadsheet. You don't need to get the fancy QuickBooks. I have another video about business setup. Take a look at it, but also make sure to separate your business bank account from your personal account, okay? Next up, we have your location. If you're gonna do like a mobile location, then that's fine. I would suggest those salon suites. You can sublease from one of the owners. That way you're not stuck in this long lease, and, you know, if things are slow to begin with. Marketing. That's the final step. My gosh, please save money for marketing. Yeah, you could be like the best nurse ever in this world, but if people don't know, then who's gonna come? Make sure you're marketing, get on your social media, partner up with estheticians, your makeup artists, your hair salons. Just partner. In the beginning, it's gonna be hard, and I hope when you're researching all of this, like, you can talk to someone that started the business and just see how long it took them to be profitable, how much like their costs were. Talk to your physician collaborators also and just see what they recommend, and just really, I promise you, flesh it out first. Review, see, because you might not like it once you're in it. So just really think about it, and this is the time to do it when you're first starting a business.